Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a plan with me in my print pression using this cute winter kit. It is the mini kit from my shop. It comes with 4 full boxes, 2 quarter boxes, 2 build-dos, some headers, 2 habit trackers, the day covers, weekend banner, 4 half boxes, a weekly box, some checklists, bottom washi, and some icons, scripts, and appointments and meetings. I think it is perfect for the print pression. And the week that I will be planning today is the week of January 13 to the 19th. So I'm gonna speed everything, leave you with some music, and I'll be right back at the end of my spread. Okay, I finished my spread. What I did is making the first box fully of some things. I will be using this weekly box as a meal plan and the habits trackers for 2 things that I'm starting recording for myself, tracking for myself. This one is for a birthday. I want to use one of the new releases that will be on my shop pretty soon. It is the squad holding a cupcake and blowing the candle for any celebrations. This is Angelica's celebration and is to mark down that one of my cousins is her birthday. That's why I moved the laundry to another day. Some bill due. I wanted to press. I was going to put a full box in here, but then I realized that I wanted to do a few things on Tuesday, so I made 3 big checklists and then I incorporate some full boxes. This one is to mark down my daughter's ballet. So I'm gonna place one of my characters, Annabelle. That is the inspiration of my daughter right here. And then we tend to always watch a movie on Fridays after my daughter's schools. I have another bill due. It is the Simply Gilded box and the weekend banner bottom washi. It's very functional. I love this Print Pression planner, and as you can see, this is one of the examples of how you can use this tiny mini kit during the week. And I still have some leftovers. I took one of the dividers, bow dividers, in hollow foil from the Giving Girl. I have a haul on my videos, on another video that I hold this item. And that will be all. Very, very cute. I love it. And now I'm ready for my weekly plans. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you can receive notifications every time that I upload a video. Thank you so much for being here, for all your love, support, comments. I really, really love this channel. I would love to connect with you. If you haven't visited us yet, leave me a comment. What do you think? And thank you so much once again. I will see you next time. Bye.